Learn more with CBeebies on the BBC iPlayer app. Download it today.
I can make custard and carrots too.
I can play keyboard and do kung fu.
I'll build a castle.
But I've got the key.
I'll be a clown.
For the king, that's me.
I'm there in candle and cup. Are you?
I'm in koala and kangaroo.
Cucumber?
Ketchup.
Comic.
Kazoo.
You make different words.
You like different things.
I'm C.
And I'm K.
And I think that I can say you're not me. Hear it in the air is the sound we share, but we use it in very different ways. And maybe that's
Okay, I don't understand why I felt so upset. Kites!
I've learned something new I can never forget. Colours!
Learning can be so much fun, and you can learn lots more with our CBeebies shows like Number Blocks, The Go-Getters, Andy's Adventures, and lots more. Download the BBC iPlayer app right now.